Cataract disease affect body part is eye. What is cataract? Cataract is a clouding of the lens or any opacity within the lens which leads to decreased quality in vision. Explanation. The eye lens is made by composition of water and proteins. The eye lens is transparent. In this eye lens develop clouding. Because of this reason, break the light passing in retina, therefore decrease in vision. Symptoms. First, loss of vision, or blurred vision. Second, need bright light to read. Third, poor vision at night. Fourth, headache. Fifth, double vision in single eye. Causes of cataract. First, congenital cataract. In this cataract, child can be born with a cataract due to genetics. Second, age. Third, eye disease such as retinopathy or retinal detachment. Fourth, radiation. Fifth, smoking and alcohol. Sixth, lack of vitamin C. Seventh, long-term use of medication such as corticosteroid. Diagnosis. First, visual acuity test. The visual acuity test an eye chart to measure how well you can read series of letters. Second, slit lamp exam. In this, use a special microscope with a bright lights that lets your doctor check different part of your eye. They will look at your cornea, the clear outer layer. They also will examine the iris, the colored part of your eye, and the lens that sits behind it. The lens bends light as it enters your eye so you can see things clearly. Treatment. Surgery is the only way to treat cataract. There are several kinds of operations for cataract, but they all have one thing in common. Your surgeon takes out the cloudy lens from the eye and replaces it with an artificial lens. I hope you understood this video. Then like this video. You stay always happy and healthy.